Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by warming 0.5 cup of chocolate syrup until it flows easily. This makes it pourable and glossy. Once done, trim the cake surface and set the cake on a wire rack above a tray so excess syrup falls away cleanly. Now, hold your spoon about 2-3 inches above the center and drizzle slowly. This encourages the syrup to spread outward naturally. Make sure to move steadily. A hesitant pour pools, while too fast causes uneven runs. Once the first layer sits, you shape the flow by nudging syrup with an offset spatula. This evens coverage and controls drips. Make sure to chill the cake for 5-10 minutes between heavier layers so the syrup sets rather than sliding off. If you want defined lines or a marbled look, switch to a squeeze bottle or slightly reduce the syrup temperature to thicken it. That gives you precision. Remember, control of temperature and movement is why the glaze behaves predictably. You finish by smoothing the top with a clean spatula, collecting excess syrup in the tray to reuse if uncontaminated. Once smooth, garnish within 10-15 minutes so toppings adhere before full set. If you see uneven runs or sagging at the edges, make sure to chill the cake briefly until firm, then reapply a thin, warmed layer to correct shape and gloss. This two-step fix is effective because the cold base stops further sliding while the fresh syrup bonds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.